let's make lunch together. Come with me as I prepare my lunch. So guys, today I'm going to fry omena, and I decided to share the recipe with you, my people, my friends. So get ready with me as I cut the onions, I cut the tomatoes, I chop. That's Nigerian language. I chop. So get ready with me. So guys, here is my ingredients. I'm only going to use tomatoes and onions, the main one. I'm not going to use any spices, any of them. I guess I'm okay with this. And let me share out my recipe. Hope you will like it. So we are going to start by warming the water, not boiling but warming the water, that we are going to wash it, to wash the omena, because omena you have to wash with warm water. So let's start by warming the water. I guess I put the sufuria, then I add water on it, just maji kidogo, then I give it something like 1 minute. Just I need warm water. Remember, I need warm water, not cold water. Here I wash my omena now. While washing, I'm going to transfer to another sufuria, which is already here. After transferring it to another sufuria, I'm going to add some oil, some amount of oil. You know, omena needs enough oil, so I'm going to add enough oil. So here I'm going to fry my omena until it turns brown. After that, I will add onions. So here I'm frying my omena. Hope you see my omena is brown. Now let's add onions. That's onions. It's ready already. So tomatoes, salt. That's salt I'm adding. So here we have to give the tomatoes time, even then we turn the omena. So let's give it a time. Our omena is ready. See, let me zoom for you. Nakana is very yummy. Hope you're going to enjoy it with me. So guys, omena is ready. So we have to make ugali too. Ugali for one person. Even that one is too much, you. Food is almost ready, so welcome. Here is our ugali. Ugali is ready. Here it is, guys. I'm done. Here is my meal, my lunch. You are all welcome. So let's get this meal together. The food is very yummy, the food is very sweet. You guys welcome. Can I pin location for you? Anyways, guys, I just wanted to share out my simple life, how I normally do, how I normally cook. Anyways, if it is possible, enjoy the video, and good day, good night, whatever, good morning, anytime in your touch. Anyways, bye bye.